Where'd you put it?
And Ennis quits.
Where'd you put it?
Back in the drawer.
Didn't fold it up.
Just making sure there's still friends in between all the... You alright?
Whitey!
Even gave me the finger line.
Oh!
Hammer time!
This could, wait, no one knows how old this footage is, because this could have been in the fucking 1990s, eh?
Yeah, with this music.
I didn't tie fucking knots!
You had a chance.
Alright, then kill me then, go on then.
Don't do it with a knot, you might actually cut him.
Nah, that's alright. Aim is up.
I don't care if I cut
Go on then, you're like a bitch. You're like a bitch anyway, Egg.
It's like a big bit at the end.
Yes.
Don't do it with a knot in it.
Yeah.
What?
Do it, Egg! You're a bitch. You ain't fucking hurt me anyway.
Use the other end.
Oh, fucking Jesus.
No, run up.
Oh! Fuck!
That's it. You're not hitting me with that cunt.
Where is
This happy days.
Wait, go sit on the white couch, man. I'll call you back
To be
down.
honest with you, I reckon I missed you.
Yeah, I reckon he did too. There's no mark.
Oh, you hit me.
Oh, yeah,
Right
that's
there.
a bit of a mark, yeah. See it?
Oh, yeah.
No, but no more.
Hey, you got a big paint barrier.